Hi friends, Charlie here. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update on the 68 project. Last time I checked in with you guys, I was fixing the wiring harnesses and testing all the electrical components that we had installed, like the water pump. And during this process, during a light check, I discovered that my right rear turn signal wasn't working, and I thought it would be a good time to install LED bulbs. I installed the LED bulbs, and then next thing you know, I didn't have any turn signals. So then I thought, well, maybe it was a mixture of LED bulbs in the back and standard bulbs in the front. So I went and put LED bulbs in the front, LED bulbs in the hood turn signals, and replaced the flashers with LED flashers, and still nothing. So that's been kind of the delay in getting the project wrapped up. And then in that process, we ended up finding this cold air intake that was for sale. Got it for $80, which is fairly good deal on this guy. So get this thing home, thinking I'm going to go ahead and see what it looks like on the car. When we come up here, I try to mount it. We find out that my HEI distributor that I have on here is too big, and it just kind of blocks the bottom of that cold air intake housing and keeps it from seating on the carburetor. So I don't like the HEI distributor anyway. I thought it would be a good idea when I put it in here, but it is big, it's bulky, it's ugly. So I decided to bite the bullet, got us a smaller distributor that uses a coil, new plug wires, some insulators for them, some organizers. So part of the project now is going to be to take this HEI unit out, put this stuff in, and then we're going to install the cold air intake. And as you can see, even though it does look a lot better, the wires that come out from underneath my fuse box over here are still visible, and I'm kind of trying to find a solution to that. I've got the wires that have come back are nice and harnessed and stuff, but just right there in that one general area, it still doesn't look that great. So another project I'm going to work on is I found this donor box of material here. It's kind of a nice diamond plate substrate. It's not, super strong, but I think if I paint this a gloss black, it makes a nice area where I can rivet these and put them around that box area and kind of clean that area up. So that's going to be the project moving forward, cleaning up that box area there, and then getting the distributor replaced and the cold air intake put on. Once all that happens, I will walk you guys through how to replace the distributor in your car, and we will talk about the benefits of the cold air intake. The one thing that we got to figure out before we make the cold air intake video, though, is where those cold air intake tubes are going to go. As you can see by looking at the tubes that came with this cold air intake, they're flexible tubes. They'll stretch quite a bit. It's just figuring out where to actually put these so that they pull that fresh cold air into the carburetor. So I know it's been a while since I sent you guys out a video. It's 110 degrees here in Phoenix today. It's been over 100 degrees all month. I can only spend about 30 minutes at a time out here before I sweat to death. So I'm going to try and give you guys some more content soon, though, but I figured you guys might appreciate a quick update on what was going on. So if you have any questions, please post them in the comments. Please let me know what you think about the project, and any ideas you have about might make the project better. Please let me know. Thank you.